This is a great day for the American worker and a great day for the American economy. Once again, President Trump is keeping his word. As we look for ways to expand exports from this country, imports to this country, this president is determined that we're going to have free trade, but it's going to be fair trade and arm's length negotiations with nations, holding them accountable to the promises that they make. And the review the president is initiating today and the work of members of this team on the president's behalf will ensure that we put America first when it comes to trade. We put American jobs and American workers first.
Thank you, Mike. Thank you, everybody. You're going to see some very, very strong results very, very quickly. Thank you very much.